Hello there. In this video we're going to find the XY mapping rule for a 30 degrees clockwise rotation. Okay, draw the picture. I don't get a real circle this time, you have to put up with my own. Figure out where 1, 0 gets mapped to. Fill in the triangle, and use that to get the XY coordinates in the matrix. We're going over the long, that's the √3/2, and down the short, that's the 1/2 there. Okay, next part is figure out where 0, 1 goes to. So this one was going over the short and up the long. Okay, so I needed to make this matrix for it to get to my XY mapping rule, and the process of this works kind of as follows. First I'm going to, for sake of illustration, I'm going to imagine an arbitrary point xy. And now I'm going to rotate this point 30 degrees clockwise around the origin there. And it gets into a new point, and we'll call that point x prime, y prime. So I'm looking for this rule that's going to map the original, the pre-image, xy, over to the image x prime, y prime. And I know that this is the matrix that's going to do that, so I'm going to set this up as matrix multiplication. So there's the matrix, the rotational matrix. I'm applying that to the pre-image, and that's going to send me over here to the image. And now I think about, well, how was this position created, this x prime? How is this new x created? And it's row 1, column 1, so it's going to be made from row 1, column 1. So the new x, this gets paired with the x, and this one, 1/2, gets paired with the y, and that's the location of my new x. And I do the same for the new y. Row 2, column 1. And there we go. Pairing them up, matrix multiplication. So, I got the new x, I got the new y. This is the mapping rule. I just have to insert these values here in for the x prime, y prime. And it's a fairly long rule. I wouldn't necessarily want to do this one by hand, but that's all there is to it. And we're simply getting there by using matrix multiplication to get those new values of x and y. Biggest thing here is, of course, creating the matrix. We did examples using 30 degrees, lots of √3/2s and 1/2s. Please also practice the ones with 45 degrees, the √2/2s. Character and scholarship for life.